Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax. Today we're going to look at a 2019 250 Sun Deck by Sea Ray. We'll start off in the stern of the boat. You'll see that it has a nice big swim platform, powered by a 300 horsepower 6.2 engine with a Bravo 3 outdrive. This boat comes with a nice submersible swim step, which is really nice when you're back here watching the kids. Nice big sun pad. The seat on the stern flips forward and backward. This comes equipped with USBs and 12-volt. This boat also has a nice storage area here where you can store your water toys right off the stern. This boat is equipped with fresh water. Coming through the boat, your master breakers. This boat also comes with a 12-volt shore power, so you can charge your batteries at your dock. There's the 6.2-liter 300 horsepower V8 MerCruiser engine. Plenty of cup holders all around in the seating area. We have a place for a table back here. Your table storage under here as well. There are two tables on this boat, one forward, one aft. Ski locker. This boat comes equipped with a Fusion stereo, a 8-inch Simrad equipped with MerCruiser vessel view. Very generous size storage area / head. Coming through the port bow access, you'll see we have nice leather stitching on the bulwarks, plenty of cup holders, courtesy lights. This boat also comes with LED strip lighting under all the seat bases. Two more USBs on the bow to charge your iPhones and iPads. Fusion stereo speakers up front. Nice big anchor locker. Comes equipped with a front bow ladder. You also have fresh water to the bow as well. If this is a boat you'd like to see more of, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks a lot for watching.